Welcome to our tutorial on setting up an NGINX server using Docker. Today, we're going to run an NGINX server inside a Docker container using a custom NGINX configuration. First, we have already pulled the NGINX Alpine image from Docker Hub. Let's confirm it's available in our Docker images list. The NGINX Alpine image is known for being lightweight and efficient, making it a great choice for our server. Next, we'll write our NGINX configuration. This configuration defines how our server behaves. We're creating a simple setup where a specific location returns a custom message. We'll save this configuration to a file named nginx.conf. Now let's run our NGINX server. We'll use the docker run command with several options. Let me break down the command for you. Docker run is the command to create and start a Docker container. -d runs the container in detached mode, meaning the container runs in the background. --rm option automatically removes the container when it stops, keeping our system clean. --name option assigns the name NGINX server to our container for easy reference. -p option maps port 80 of the container to port 80 on the host, allowing HTTP traffic to our server. -v option mounts our custom nginx.conf file into the container, replacing the default nginx configuration. And finally, NGINX Alpine specifies the image to use for the container. Let's run this command to start our NGINX server. To test our server, we'll use curl, a command-line tool, to send requests. We'll send a request to our NGINX server and see if we get the expected response. And that's it. We've successfully set up and tested an NGINX server in a Docker container using a custom configuration. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.